It's a very good day, Red Spartans! We are here to present to you our brain game that will blow your mind. This is a fun and exciting game, the WIW game. Are you all excited? Presenting to you the description, highlight, and the procedure. Letting to know how sharp your memory is and how fast your thinking skills. So Red Spartans, are you all ready? Let's proceed. Hello Red Spartans! Do you want a fun and exciting game? So what are you waiting for? Come, join us! Our brain game is entitled Words in a Word. It is a brain game that requires your attention, comprehension, and the use of semantic memory. This game involves the formation, discovery, or the alteration of a word. It became possible because some of us in the group have weak vocabulary. We are not familiar with some words, that is why we came up with this idea for our brain game. We believe that it could help not only us, but also others who are lacking vocabulary skills to improve their skills in a fun and exciting way. Its mechanics is very simple. The player will just have to think and create a new set of words from a given word within the allotted time. The player who has generated the greatest number of words shall be the winner. This game is beneficial in our cognitive processes, for it measures how quickly a person can think and retrieve from semantic memory. In addition, it should help the players gain knowledge, grab a new formation of words, and create meanings from it. Similarly, it is a fun and exciting game wherein it may sharpen cognitive functioning such as thinking skills, speed processing of information, planning skills, reaction time, decision making, and short-term and long-term memory. There are different theories that our game may relate with.
Semantic theory, or the study of the linguistic meaning, which holds the idea that language is part of more general human cognitive ability. It includes the ability to use resources involving the capacity to recall words, concepts, or numbers, which are essential for the use and understanding of the language. It also has a connection in memory recall and retrieval system, wherein the two-stage theory explains the process of recalling a memory. The first stage is the research and retrieval of information from the storage. Next stage is the recognition of the correct information from what has been retrieved. This supports the main mechanics of words in a word game, wherein players will be consciously thinking of words from the memory recall and retrieval system to supply new set of words and thus promote cognitive processes. Wherein working memory is involved in the selection, initiation, and termination of information processing function such as encoding, storing, and retrieving data. But wait! There's more, the exciting main twist of the words in a word game. In an easy round, the players must shout, "I love Kogsai," while in the average round, "I love you baby." And in the last round, "I love Mimiya."
Thus, in relation to cognitive psychology, these brain games aims to know more about the knowledge acquisition, including the memory retention as well as language. It also emphasizes on how we learn, interpret, and give meaning to the words. Similarly, on how we remember things stored in our long-term memory and using different techniques upon the retrieval of the information. All in all, this shows the importance of storing, encoding, and the retrieval of the information for further use.
Heads up, mahuhusay! The target audience of our brain game are the students of Batangas State University, either high school or college students. The game will be needing a PowerPoint presentation for easy, average, and difficult level, a roulette, a timer, and amazing prizes.
Hi guys! So, para ipaliwanag sa inyo ang procedure ng ating brain game, which is entitled Words in a Word, meron tayong tatlong rounds na kailangan tapusin or lagpasan, wherein sa kada round meron tayong easy, average, and difficult. So sa mga yon, ipapaliwanag namin ang mga dapat nyong gawin. So for the first part, which is the easy round of the brain game, somehow alam ko na may idea na kayo from the title pa lang na Words in a Word. Ang tanging kailangan nyo lang ay unang-una, focus, attention, and hindi dapat mawawala ang bilis ng utak para makaisip ng mga words na pwede nyong mabuo from a given word na mapipili ng ruleta. So, for the first step sa ating easy round, paiikutin ng mga assigned facilitators ang ating ruleta para malaman natin kung anong word yung iisipan or bubuuan nyo ng tatlo. Take note, tatlong words from the given letters of the word na napili ng ruleta. And then, para hindi kayo malito, ipe-present namin sa screen through PowerPoint presentation yung word na napili ng ruleta. Pero, take note, hindi lang kayo basta mag-iisip ng words. Mag-iisip kayo ng tatlong words just within 30 seconds. And once na matapos nyo yung task na yon, yung nabuo nyo na yung tatlong words na hinihingi, kailangan nyong isigaw yung phrase na I love Kogsay. Yan. I love Kogsay. Tapos, pwede na kayong mag-proceed sa second round, which is the average round. Kaya, good luck sa inyo, guys.
The facilitator will now spin the roulette again, and this time it's for the average level. As the facilitator displays the PowerPoint presentation of the chosen word from the roulette, the time will start again. Using the given words, the player must think 5 words within 45 seconds. After thinking new words, the player must shout, I love you baby, to gain points. The player must meet the specific numbers of words needed to proceed to the difficult level.
So after we hear the easy and average round, let us now proceed to the difficult round. So in the fifth procedure for the facilitator, this is the last round. Facilitator will spin again the roulette to decide the word to be used afterwards. Facilitator will display the word using a PowerPoint presentation which marks the starting point of the game. This is for the audience or the player of this game. This time, the player needs to think 8 from the word within 1 minute. Afterwards, the player must shout, I love you, after formulating new words to gain points until the player needs a specific number of words needed to finally end the game. Sixth number and the finale. This is the procedure for the facilitators. The facilitator will then list the words the players have generated from easy, average, and difficult level to tally the score. The player has generated the greatest number of formulated new words shall be the winner. This is the procedure for the players or the audience of this difficult round. The player will stand by and wait for the announcement of the winner, also will receive an exciting prizes.
Good day again, my fellow Mahusay students. Admit it or not, we are all not familiar with some words. That is why we came up with this idea for our brain game. So to sum it up, Words in a Word game is a brain game that requires operation of each member of its group, since it requires the attention, comprehension, and the use of systematic memory. We are hoping that this brain game will reduce boredom and stress. Have fun, everyone! Also, we hope that this game will be useful to all of us. We are well ready for your gimmick too. Be the best team and group. Padayon, future mahusay. Stay safe and dry.